You didn't click, you didn't speak, but your fridge just pitched you a parka. Welcome to ultrasonic tracking where silence isn't safe. This is Hak-Attack, and I'm Zealot45. Let's crack this ghost signal wide open. You know Bluetooth, you know Wi-Fi, but there's a third signal slipping past your radar: ultrasound, 18 to 22 kilohertz. Too high for human ears. Perfect for your phone's mic. Apps embedded. Ads beam it. Smart TVs whisper it. Your phone hears it. Your smartwatch hears it. And just like that, your devices are linked. UXDT ultrasonic cross-device tracking. It's not just creepy, it's tactical. Retailers, advertisers, app developers, they embed ultrasonic beacons in mobile ads, websites, even TV commercials. You walk past a kiosk, it chirps, your phone hears it. Now they know you were there. You watch a commercial, it beams a signal. Your phone hears it. Now they know what you watched. You didn't opt in. You didn't even know. This is surveillance capitalism's silent partner. Walmart's not using ultrasound. They're going ambient IoT, tiny battery-free sensors that harvest energy from radio waves. They track freshness, location, inventory without wires, without batteries. 500 plus stores already running it. Tens of millions of sensors deployed. It's not ultrasonic, but it's just as invisible, and it's feeding real-time data into Walmart's AI brain. Silent, scalable, strategic. Let's flip the script. Researchers built NEWIT, Near Ultrasound Inaudible Trojan. It sends commands to smart speakers using ultrasonic signals. Open apps, send texts, change settings, all without you hearing a thing. Then there's Smartattack, a smartwatch receiving ultrasonic signals from air-gapped systems. That's data exfiltration from secure zones, military-grade stealth, and don't forget Bat in the Mobile, a study showing how ultrasonic beacons can link your devices, spy on your TV habits, and build a profile without consent. This isn't sci-fi, it's happening. Ultrasound isn't just for tracking ads. It's used in indoor navigation systems to locate devices with sub-meter accuracy. Search and rescue teams use ultrasonic and RF tracking to locate missing persons. Surveillance states use ultrasonic tech alongside facial recognition to monitor dissidents. You muted your mic, you locked your phone, but your smartwatch just whispered your secrets to the wall. You want tactics? Here's your loadout. Revoke mic access from apps that don't need it. Use privacy-focused browsers and VPNs that block ultrasonic signals. Install ultrasonic firewall apps. Yes, they exist. Monitor unexpected mic activity. Some security suites alert you when your mic's hot. And if you're building apps, don't embed ultrasonic beacons. That's a trust nuke. Your users deserve better. This is Hak-Attack. I'm Zealot45. You didn't speak, you didn't click, but your silence was loud. Ultrasonic tracking is real. It's stealthy. It's scalable. And now, you're tactical. Stay loud. Stay mythic. Stay free.